What happens when drones stop relying on human pilots and start guiding themselves? That's exactly what's unfolding in Ukraine right now. U.S. defense company Auterion just announced it will supply 33,000 AI-powered guidance kits to Ukraine's drone fleet. The deal, worth $50 million and funded by the Pentagon, could radically change how strike drones are used on the battlefield. Here's why it matters. Ukraine plans to buy 4.5 million small first-person view drones in 2025. But there's a problem. Dense signal jamming by both Ukraine and Russia has made manually piloted drones far less reliable. Auterion's kits solve that by letting drones autonomously lock onto a target's shape and hit it from up to a kilometer away, even when the signal is cut. This isn't Auterion's first move. The company says it has already sent thousands of AI strike systems to Ukraine. But with this new deployment, their support is increasing more than tenfold. As CEO Lorenz Meyer put it, this is a major escalation in backing Ukraine's ability to adapt. Kyiv already had dozens of AI-augmented systems in place last year. Now, with tens of thousands more on the way, the role of artificial intelligence in modern warfare is shifting from experimental to essential. Don't forget to like this video, hit subscribe, and drop a comment with your thoughts. Because this is not just about drones, it's about how AI is rewriting the future of conflict. And if you want to keep going deeper, check out the related video in the corner. Watch, learn, and stay ahead.